sometimes it's just good to stop and smell the roses or the peonies or the hydrangeas or whatever your favorite flower is. I am literally on my front lawn right now. We are getting ready to transform my front door area. I don't really like to call it a porch because it's not really a porch. It's not big enough for that, but I do want to transform it, kind of get ready for the holidays and just kind of get in the spirit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video today. We're going to decorate for the upcoming holidays, so enjoy. Hi you guys, so literally we are going to get started with a little switching, a little clipping, a little adding and subtracting. We're going to go through this process together. So we're going to start with the front wreath. Now you guys know I just actually made that wreath for the summer, the spring summer, but I want to do something more patriotic right now, just because everything is going on. I typically don't necessarily decorate for the 4th of July, but I'm going to take this wreath down. It's cute, but we're going to add a wreath I already have. I love my welcome sign here, but I got this welcome sign from Hobby Lobby. It was $29.99 with 40% off, so we are going to replace this one. So I'm just going to add a bow to this wreath just to make it a little bit more patriotic. I got this ribbon at Hobby Lobby, so I'm just going to twist and tie it and make a little bow. I'm going to tie this in a knot to create kind of like a little topper situation for the bow. And then I'll tie it through again. I normally do this with floral wire, but I don't have any here, so we have to make this work. Okay, you guys, I took the bow off. I did not like this ribbon with it. I think it's beautiful ribbon, but I think this khaki needs to be white, or the flowers need to be more like red or neutral in order for it to work. So I do have some faux red stems here that I may try to mix in, but we'll see as we go along. We're gonna go ahead and start placing other things on the patio. Simply mixing in some faux pieces with the red, with the real greenery to make it pop. So it gives me that hint of red, that color that I'm looking for, without having to actually commit to this color. I can keep it neutral any other time of the year. And because these stems are like the lifelike stems, they really look and feel real. Okay, you guys, so I think I finally got it the way I want it. I didn't want to do anything over the top because, again, it's just for the holidays, so this will probably be up through August. So since I didn't want to commit to like colors or anything like that. I spray painted the basic plastic pot that you see here. It was black. I just used this Rust-Oleum gloss paint and primer and spray painted it white. And this is just the one that it comes in, the plastic one that you typically throw away after you replant it in another pot, planter. I didn't see exactly what I want for our home right now, so I'm gonna wait until after the 4th of July when a lot of outdoor things go on sale, and then I will find the forever home for our new plant. So I added a few other things I'm gonna share with you guys. I hope you enjoy it and you get some tons of ideas and inspiration on how to decorate your front door budget friendly and quickly. Okay. So here is a bicycle I purchased some time ago. You guys remember this? I don't even remember where I got it from. I just maybe it was Ross. It was really inexpensive. I've used it before, so I just thought I would bring it out here because I found that bicycle rug at Aldi. So let me show you guys that rug. So I decided to layer the bicycle rug with this navy blue and white striped rug that I got from Target. I absolutely love the red tassels and the price, you guys. I don't know if you remember it or not, but I got it off, you know, one of those 90% hauls that I used to do back in the day. So I absolutely love the way that it looks layered. I know it's an indoor rug, but it's okay because I think I probably paid like $2 for it. The bicycle, absolutely love that bicycle. I love the floral centerpiece that my friends over at Kaleidoscope did for me inside of the little basket. I love the way that the red pops out of the real greenery that you see there. I just love that entire look. But when I look at the wreath, it's just not giving me the warm and fuzzy feeling that I get when I look at this bicycle, when I look at the peonies and the hydrangeas and the carnations and the little berries. I just think that is so cute, you know. And then when I look at the plant, I just love the red popping out of it. I love my little cheap DIY pot. It's just really doing it for me. And then I look at the wreath and I'm like, it needs something. Like literally, I need something to tie this together. Right now I'm thinking a bow, but you guys tell me, like literally, what else do I need to add to the wreath or to this look to tie it all together? Pun intended, right? I like for things when I'm designing, I like for things to look really collected. I like for them to not look like I got them all at the same place and put it together like a rooms to go or something like that. I like for it to look like I took the time to go to different places and source things from different places to give this like collected look, right? So this is not looking quite collected for me right now. I just need something to tie this look together. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think I need to tie this look all together. So next we will be moving into the house. I actually did a tablescape and I can't wait to share that with you guys. It is going to be hilariously funny because I have found out so many things about my husband, not only since I've been home, but since we've been in quarantine. So you guys will have to tune in to the next video so you can hear about, honey, the drama over here at the Turner household. Like, the drama, okay? It's good drama, but it's still drama. But I've been having a wonderful time kind of creating different spaces and redoing different spaces around our home and creating different little vignettes and tablescapes and things like that, just to bring, you know, joy and to liven up the mood, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. And oh yes, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I am going to be bringing you guys so much more amazing content. I have patio reveals. I have all sorts of things that I'm going to be doing. Home decor, event planning, you know, COVID-19 event planning ideas, backdrops, outdoor weddings. I mean, so much stuff is coming. It is unreal. And you guys need to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. So see you soon. Bye-bye.